sure where 1500 AM is coming in from, but they keep talking about the wizard, the wizard. I have no idea. I'll have to go to the list, but it seems far enough away.
Meantime, today in Canada, Prime Minister Trudeau called President-elect Trump to assure him that these countries can work together to address issues. Canada, for its part, is considering additional resources for police patrolling borders. Although the Canadian government is not ruling out.
In the ranking, Tulane is sneaking around there. What happens if you have a three-loss Big 12 champion? And Tulane runs the table.
There's something in there. For a lady's voice singing.
And Menudo, and there's also a letter actually written by the Menendez brothers to a relative about their sexual abuse. None of this was admitted in their second trial with the verdict.
Well, I heard something in there. That's WSYB 1380, only about 3 miles from me. Just gonna let the R6 scan through the aircraft band and see what it can find. I did that a couple of nights ago while I was sleeping. Kept me awake almost all night. This is air traffic. Not sure what the heck that is. Anyways,